To create an account, you'll type in your first and last name using uppercase letters for the first letter. Next, type in your Microsoft email address. It should be your username at student.wjccschools.org. At student.wjccschools.org. That is your Microsoft email address. We will use the same Microsoft password. It's also your laptop password. Type it in again. Select your age and whether you're male or female, and then click Register. Once you're signed in and have an account, you will see Course D. This is for 4th graders. The first one is Unplugged. You can actually continue on to Lesson 2, and it's an introduction to online puzzles. You'll see there are videos that you need to watch, and then you will have activities to practice. Let's start by watching the video. This might look familiar to many of you, and if it doesn't, that's okay. This is the new version for 2020. You'll watch the video, and afterwards you will continue. Be sure to pay attention to the video so you know how to program for this Introduction to Code Studio activity.
Today, we're going to learn to program using a drag-and-drop language called Blockly. Blockly uses colorful instructions called blocks to build programs that you can use to solve puzzles. Under the hood, you're still creating code. Each puzzle you'll solve with the code is split into 4 main parts. On the left is the play area, where your program will run. In the center, you will see the toolbox area that holds all the blocks that you will need for each puzzle. To the right is your workspace, where you will drag blocks to build your program. Finally, above the workspace, you will see the specific instructions for each puzzle. Don't worry if you accidentally drag out a block that you don't need. If you have an extra block, simply drag it back into the toolbox to put it away. After you hit run, you can always hit the reset button to get your character back to the start so you can try again.